Today, I'll show you how to connect N8N to Ollama, allowing you to integrate AI capabilities into your workflows efficiently. Start by opening N8N and selecting the node you want to connect with Ollama. In the Credentials drop-down, click to create a new credential. Here, enter the base URL of your Ollama instance. For local setups, this is often something like http://local 11434. Make sure it's accurate to avoid connection issues. Next, choose the model you want to use, such as Llama 3, depending on your task. If no models appear, ensure your Ollama instance is updated with compatible models. Finally, adjust runtime settings like temperature to control the creativity or determinism of the AI responses. Save your settings and your N8N workflow is ready to integrate with Ollama. Test it to confirm everything is working smoothly and you're all set to automate tasks with enhanced AI support.